So today, I'll try to do some paperclip floating experiment. So these are the paper clips that we're going to use in this experiment. We have different colors. We have white, green, pink, blue, and of course, yellow. So first, let's put this tap water into the clear container. I'm not very good in making objects float, so that explains why the paper clips sink. So now, what we are going to do is to add and mix salt to the water to make it denser. By doing that, the probability of the paper clips to float increases.